Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create or how we can sign up for the Airbnb website or the application. So this is a website where we can book unique homes and experiences all over the world. So I just log into this URL, that is airbnb.com here, and this is the home page. And here at right top corner you can see an option called sign up. So click on that to have a new account or create a new account on Airbnb. So click on sign up. Here you'll get the options like continue with Facebook, continue with Gmail, Gmail in the sense Google in the sense Gmail only. So I'll click this option, sign up with email. So click on sign up with email. So it will ask for the email. So just enter your email address, whatever it may be. For now, I'll giving my Gmail address. Choose a password. And your date of birth. Okay, by default it is enabled. It is nothing but like to receive marketing and policy communications from Airbnb. So yes, I can opt this. If you don't want, you can uncheck this. Anything is fine. So click on sign up. Your password isn't strong, try making it stronger. Okay, I didn't enter any special character or something like that, so it's saying uh, to have a more secure password, so I have added some special characters. Now it's fine. So before you join, okay, there's one more step I need to do is click on accept. So these are all the terms and conditions of the Airbnb. So better you read this, and once you agree this, you can click on accept. Okay, then the next step is click on the next step. I'll do this later, means you can upload your picture, or you can make you can take the picture from the Facebook. So I just skipped it. uh, India phone number, take me link, and we can also skip this. I'll do this later. Check your email, tap the link on. Okay, we need to verify the link, which is the verification link to the mail you have entered during the process. So you need to verify that link. So that open your Gmail. Okay, here in the update section I have a confirmation mail which I need to click on this. So open that mail. So just click on the confirm email. So the registration process or the sign up process for this is now completed. See here, this is my profile which I have created just now. Thank you for confirming your email address. Okay, you're all set. So I just now completed my registration or the sign up or the creation account process in Airbnb, and I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.